Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm going to show you how can you predict the next candlestick by using the candlestick psychology. Okay, so here I'm seeing a level. So if the candle, okay, I took my trade in a down direction. So why I took my trade here? Because this area was a strong seller zone. So therefore I took my trade, and this candle is a sign of reversal. It worked like this, so it will go down from this point, and the next buyer's area is here, so it will go down from this point. Okay, so I won my trade here. Now I'm going to take another trade with compound trading. Okay, so if I check the market here, I can easily go with the buyers. Okay, I took my trade. Okay, so this is the seller's area. Okay, so it is a bit difficult trade for me. Okay, market is going up, so I will take another trade with $60. Okay, so on this point I can go here with the buyers confidently, because this candle is a retracement candle and the next expected level is far away from this point. So it will go up from this point and it will close as a bullish candlestick. Okay, so the market will definitely go up from this point. No worries for me. So we will win this trade. The next trade will be of 130. Okay, so I need to analyze the market here. Okay, so if I analyze the market here, okay, I took my trade in an up direction and I will win my trade here because this is the seller's area. But again I'm seeing a strong body as compared to this one at the level, so therefore I took my trade with the margin of safety and I will win my trade here also. Okay, let's see what happens here. Market has to go up. Okay, it has to go up and it will close above our entry point here. Okay, so now I can take my trade in a down direction because I already draw the level, and now you can see this candle made a new low. This candle at the level is a reversal candle, so therefore I took my trade in a down direction. So at least we will get one single bearish candle here. So you are seeing that I start my trading with $20 and I am taking compound trades. So this is how you can easily predict your market. You can see on the left side I am seeing a strong sellers. I got a reversal candle with new low. I took my trade in a down direction and we will win this trade here. So after this trade I will end my trading. Okay, so now you can see this was my first trade. I took my trade because this candle came down, hit the resistance level and then again went down. So This was my first trade. Now let me show you my second trade. This candle closed at the level, so therefore this candle reversed and it made a new high, so therefore the next candle was a long leg spinning top. I won my trade here. Now you can see I told you that this candle is a retracement candle, so at least to this level candles were going up, but it broke the level very strongly, so therefore I won my trade with this reversal candle. Okay, so let me show you here. I took here two trades and I won both of them. I took one trade with the margin of safety. Candle went up at the last second and closed as a bullish. Then what happened? Let me show you clearly. This candle closed exactly at the level, made a new low, a reversal candle at the level, so therefore I took my trade in a down direction and I won these trades. So I want to show you what happened on the left side. You can see here candle closed here. From this point you are seeing a seller's entry. What does it mean? It means that at this area the sellers are strong, so it will give you at least one candle and it will clear your mind that the powers of sellers are still strong or weak. So this is how you can take your trades, and always remember, you can see this is the buyer's area, next buyer's entry point. Okay, this is the buyer's entry point. If I analyze this candle right now, I can say that this candle will close as a bearish. Why? Because I'm not seeing any kind of level. Okay, so in this chart I am seeing only this level. In this chart I am only seeing this level. Okay, so this is the level. And always remember that in my last video I showed one thing, that buyer's momentum always repeats and try to repeat the same situation on the right side according to the left side. So right now in this area you can see same thing is happening, and if I show you here, you can see sellers entered and again strong buyers entered. So momentum will always breaks the momentum or try to repeat the same situation. Now you can see this candle is showing me that the sellers are much stronger than this one. Now you can see this candle made a new low, so you need to analyze the momentum like this. Now you can see, as I'm telling you, that this candle is showing me this one is showing me that these sellers are much stronger than this one. So your buyers are here or your buyers are here. So what does it mean? This whole area from this point to this point is a strong sellers presence area. So therefore market is trying to go down and down. Now you can see this candle will work as a sign of continuation in the middle of the trend sometimes, but you need to analyze your market on the left side. So always remember this. Now you can see market is getting the rejection and it can go like a red candle. Why? Because you can see this candle is not making any new high, it made a new low in the middle of the trend. So you can see market is going down. You can see how strong the market is going down. So this is how you can easily predict each and every candle, but you need to analyze your levels. You need to analyze and identify the psychology. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Stay blessed you all. If you have any queries, you can contact me on Telegram. I am there for you all. Stay blessed. Bye for now.